Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video. I still my home self Choko Belago, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to wrap Bitcoin, okay? Wrap Bitcoin and use it to buy Ethereum or any ERC20 token of your choice. Alright? So wrapping Bitcoin is more like uh converting it to an ERC20 token version of Bitcoin. So in my previous video about wrap Bitcoin, I told you guys that wrap Bitcoin exists to bring the liquidity of Bitcoin into the Ethereum ecosystem. All right. So I won't talk too much about what wrap Bitcoin is. The link to the video on wrap Bitcoin is going to be in the description below. So without much ado, let me dive straight into it. Okay. All right. So if I want to wrap Bitcoin right now, what I have to do is click on Bitcoin, click on wrap Bitcoin. Okay. Now, CoinList is one of the platforms where you can actually wrap Bitcoin. There are very few platforms where you can do it. So, according to Wrap Bitcoin, CoinList is one of the merchants that is qualified, or one of the merchants approved, okay, to offer this service. Okay, so that's why I'm using CoinList. All right, it's not like blockchain wallet, but we have to make use of it since it serves the Ethereum ecosystem. I know I'm all about the Ethereum ecosystem. Okay, let's try this once again. Okay, so want to apologize for the delay. Just that sometimes it behaves like this. Okay, so I want to wrap the whole Bitcoin. Okay, so coin list fee is about 0.25%. Okay, so let me just confirm the wrap. It's very small. It's very small. I must be honest. It's very small compared to, before wrap Bitcoin. The easiest way to migrate to the Ethereum ecosystem, to migrate liquidity from Bitcoin to the Ethereum ecosystem, is by converting Bitcoin directly to Ethereum. That's expensive. Okay. But looking at this, to be able to enter into the Ethereum ecosystem, I'm only paying 0.25. Okay, so confirm wrap. Okay. Instantly, very fast. It's already wrapped. So what I have to do is click view my wrap Bitcoin wallet, and here we are. You can see my balance. Do you notice any difference in the amount? 0.25% coin list fee. Okay? 0.25% coin list fee. Alright? So, my next step is to transfer this to my Trust wallet. So, I'm going to see you guys on my Trust wallet once I'm done with the transfer. Okay? Alright. All right, guys. So I'm having kind of an unstable network, so I'm going to use this, okay, to serve as a way for you guys to swap WBTC for Ether. So in this case now, if you open swapaltcoin.com, okay, you're going to select WBTC and enter the amount you want to sell. Then it will now populate how many Ether you will receive. Now, if you are doing this the first time in your Trust wallet or even MetaMask, you will be asked to approve the transaction first. Then when you've approved the transaction, the next step will be to submit the swap. Now, when you submit the swap, it takes seconds for your transaction to to go through, as long as you have the right you have the right gas price. So that means for you to do WBTC swap for Ethereum, you need to have some Ether. Okay. All right. So guys, that's it for this video. If you have questions, I'll be willing to guide you one-on-one via chat, one-on-one via WhatsApp call, WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Till I see you guys next time. Take care and bye for now.